Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Graceful Garden, and this is the Valentine's Day card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of Whisper White with the second to the smallest layer stitch shapes in the oval. I'm going to run that through. All right. And then I have my powder pink. And we're going to be using the Graceful Garden, and we're going to be using I Adore You in this big rose here. So I have the sentiment mounted on clear block B. Ink that up and then just put it there in the center. And then I have the large rose mounted on clear block E. And I have a piece of the powder pink, and we're just going to do tone on tone. This is 3 3/4 by 5. So we'll get that good and inked up. And then I just want it here on the left side. So just like that. I'm going to come in with some snail adhesive. Put it on all 4 corners, or all 4 sides rather. And then I'm going to put that on a mat of real red. And that is 4 by 5 1/4. So we'll just center that. And then our card base is Whisper White thick, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then we'll just mount that. I kind of just like this one more traditionally Valentine's Day colors. Alright, and I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. So just like that. And I think I'm going to come in with some rhinestones. And I'm going to take the smaller ones. I just want to put it on the label here just to kind of dress it up just a tad. And maybe bigger ones in the corners here. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple Valentine's Day card using Graceful Garden. If you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.